Welcome to my channel. This is ayomidegraphix. In this video, you'll be learning how to create trending name effects using AI. I will be showing you the name of the website in which we will use to create this name effect. I'll also be showing you the prompt in which we'll be using and how to edit the prompt to create the name effect like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. Now you go to your Google Chrome, you type Bing image creator. I've already typed that already, as you can see. Then you click on the first option there. Now we are in the Bing image creator environment. That is the website. So as you can see, I've registered with them already. If you have not, you have to register with your email. Now I've posted the prompt. Now let me read the prompt. It says create a hyper-realistic image of a glittering, glossy, shiny, vibrant purple diamond text that reads Isabella with a crown situated above the text. The crown should be adorned with jewels and pearls, giving it a regal and luxurious appearance. Below the text include a soft, realistic white feather that adds an element of elegance to the overall design. The background should be neutral to highlight the intricate details of the golden text and crown. Then you click on create. So as you can see, it's loading. So when it's loaded, you have 4 different images. So you choose from the 4 different images it brings you. So we are waiting till it brings 4 images, different images. So we choose one from it. Wow, as you can see, we have 4 different images. So we are going to choose one. I think I'll go with the last one there. That one is correct. Sometimes the letters are not always correct. So you choose one, the one that is good and one that you like. So I like this. Wow, look at the design, Isabella. Look at the crown, look at the feather. It's good. So I believe if you like this, and you can download it. So for now, let me just see. Let me build very well. Just zoom it in and zoom out. That's good. So now let me check the other one. Let me check the second one. Let me check that. Oh, this is not correct. Let me go back. Let me use this. So love this. So if you want to download, you click the 3 dots there. There's a 3 dot there. Click on that 3 dot, then click on download to download the image if you like it. So now let me edit the name. From Isabella, I'll be changing it. I'll be choosing Precious. So Precious. Let me type Precious. 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 Yeah, Precious. Now let me click on create. So as you can see, I don't know if you notice, there's a coin beside the create option there. Now it's at 13. So anytime you click on the create option, whenever you type a prompt, it deducts 1 coin. So we are 13 coin. Now let us go. Wow, lovely. Look at this. We have 4 different images. So if you like one, you can save it. Just click on the picture option there. You can save it. So let us check this one. Precious. The eye is not there, but it's good, lovely. Like the image though. Now just click on the other one. I think this one is good. Yeah, loading. Yes, I love this. Wow, look at the crown, look at the diamonds, look at the names. Good. Let me check another one. Yes, I've saved this. As I said earlier, you can save it. You see it, I've saved that. So let us check the one. This one, let's check the third one. Let us check this one. Wow, lovely. Not correct those. Lovely too. The crown, the diamond. Good. Let's check the other one. Let me check this. Oh, let me go back. Oh, not this. Let me go back to the ones I've done. So if you want to see the ones I've done, let me show you one by one. Scrolling, let me show you this. Yeah, look at this Sultan. Look at this Sultan. I did one with Sultan. The name Sultan. Look at this. Look at the gold. The diamond rather. The white feather. Let me show you another one I've done. Done these two. Another one. Yeah, I think this one. Let me show you another one. This one will go. Yeah, I love this. Look at this one with Precious. Yes, I did this. Look at the name. Love this. Look at this. It's very, 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 very good. Lovely. Look at the feather, the name, and the crown. Very, very lovely. Look at the other one too. This is good. Love this. Love this. So these are the other ones I've done, as you can see. So as you can see, that's it. So if you want the prompt, now this is the prompt. You can copy that and do yours too as well. If you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button on your screen now, then click on the subscribe button again, then click on the bell for you to get all notifications. Kindly leave a comment on what you think about this video tutorial, and also hit the like button as well on the screen. Also kindly share this video tutorial to your loved ones across your socials. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.